Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you replace these BMW E60 side marker lights. As you can see, this is yellowed out and you want to replace it. So first you need to take it out, and you don't really need any tools. I know some videos out there ask you to use tools, but you can actually do this with your hands. Just hold on to it, push this way, and then kind of pull towards you at the same time. It's a push, and then it should come out. It might take a few tries, but it will come out. So after it's out, there's only one clip here. So pull this down, and then pull this out. It should come out fairly easy. You want to hold on to the wire here, make sure it doesn't go back inside. So let's put this aside here, and I'm going to wear my gloves now. Okay. So before we do anything, it's a good idea to clean the surface. Hold on to the wire, don't spray too much on the wire, but clean this area up a little bit. Okay. Dry it out with a little towel and water. Okay. And now we're gonna get the new ones. I'll post a link in the video where you can find these. Here's a new one. There's a peel here. Take that out. And then connect it the same way. So this might take a little bit of finger strength, but you want to pull this. Important thing is you want to pull this clip down before you push it in. So pull it down as much as you can and then push it in. So it goes in. And then put it back the same way it was. And that's it. That's how it's done.